Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Commander XT700. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how the kit looks and how the kit works. So if you're familiar with the Commander, you already can tell some differences on here. We've added the signature lights right here with the turn signals built in. Want to see how it looks? Down on the lever. Indicator arrows up in the dash, so that's really nice and clean. No additional holes to drill there. Oh yeah, there's the turn signal integrated right into that signature light. Very nice, very bright. You can see it from about any angle. And the Ryco kit ties into the stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs. While I'm back here, the Ryco kit also comes with your license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night, as you see there. The Ryco kit does have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners illuminate. Very nice there on the front. And on the back. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button's integrated into the end of the lever. Here in Utah, you do need 2 additional mirrors to be street legal. This customer is selected to do the Can-Am side view mirrors. You can become street legal with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. It's completely up to you. Check with your local state officials to find out what you need to make your side-by-side street legal. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also be sure and post up a link where you can go on and place your order online for this kit today. Have a great day, everybody.